Welcome to Who Wins Reviews. The best Cleancut is probably one of the most essential tools for anyone serious about maintaining a pristine and healthy lawn, offering unparalleled precision and ease of use that transforms yard work from a chore into a satisfying experience. Number 5. Norelco Philips Multigroom Series 7000. Introducing the Norelco Philips Multigroom Series 7000, your all-in-one solution for complete grooming. It's designed to handle all your needs with ease. This versatile tool is perfect for trimming your beard, styling your hair, and grooming your body. Achieve a polished look effortlessly. With 23 pieces included, you have everything you need to create any style you desire. Explore endless grooming possibilities. Forget about messy blade oil. This trimmer is designed for convenience, ensuring it's always ready to go when you are. Achieve a clean and precise trim for your face with this advanced grooming kit. It offers exceptional control for detailed work. Experience the ultimate in personal care with this comprehensive kit. It's engineered for performance and durability. What we like. This grooming kit offers unparalleled versatility with 23 attachments for all your needs. It's designed for ultimate convenience, eliminating the need for blade oil. If you're looking for a comprehensive solution for beard, head, body, and face grooming, this is the ultimate all-in-one tool. What people say. This one is very quiet, little vibration, and it's easy to control and very sharp. This allows you precise control for things like trimming your mustache. I like the size as it's very compact and will travel well. It's comfortable in your hand and has plenty of power. Battery life is amazing. I probably charged it like 4 times in all these years. As a beard trimmer, this is great, and is far superior to the one blade. There's no comparison, far more powerful and sharp. I still do multiple passes, but they are to get spots I missed, not stray hairs that the blade didn't get, as those simply don't exist. Number 4. MERIDIAN The Trimmer Original. Introducing the Trimmer Original from MERIDIAN. It's designed for ultimate comfort and precision. This electric shaver is expertly crafted for men's grooming needs. It handles everything from pubic hair to chest and leg grooming with ease. Its versatile design makes it perfect for various body areas, including the bikini line. Plus, it's completely waterproof for convenient use in or out of the shower. Enjoy cordless freedom with its rechargeable battery. A single charge provides ample power for multiple grooming sessions. The Trimmer Original comes in a stylish sage color, adding a touch of sophistication to your grooming routine. Upgrade your grooming experience with MERIDIAN's innovative trimmer. Achieve a clean and comfortable shave every time. What we like. This trimmer is specifically engineered for body hair, offering a safe and effective grooming experience. Its waterproof and rechargeable features make it incredibly convenient for use anywhere. If you're seeking a dedicated tool for pubic hair, chest, or leg grooming, this is your go-to option. What people say. Battery lasts for weeks between charges. No faults. Nothing but reliable service. It cuts so close and never cuts me. It rarely pulls a hair, which is to be expected. Blade is durable and sharp, has not failed to cut my hair at all. Number 3. Cleancut Step Bathtub Accessibility Kit. Tired of stepping over a high bathtub? Now you can convert your existing tub into a safe and accessible walk-in shower with our affordable solution. Installation is a breeze. It's designed for quick and easy setup, so you can enjoy your new shower in no time. Choose the perfect look for your bathroom. It comes in 2 classic colors, beige or white, to match your existing decor. Step with confidence thanks to the integrated non-skid step pad. It provides extra stability and prevents slips. This is the most affordable bathtub conversion option available. Enjoy the benefits of a walk-in shower without the high cost of a full remodel. We want you to be completely satisfied. If you need to return the product, please call Cleancut directly for assistance. What we like. This accessibility kit provides an affordable way to transform your existing bathtub into a safe step-in shower. Installation is designed to be quick and easy, and it features a non-skid pad for added safety. If you're looking for a cost-effective solution to improve bathroom accessibility and reduce fall risks, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The materials are quality and the instructions were very comprehensive. The installation was easy. Great product and pretty easy installation. We watched the video and read the DIY instructions a few times and were prepared. It was unpacked and installed in 2.5 hours, much faster than we expected. Very easy install. Took husband 4 hours total from start to clean up. Good item. Work slow and steady and view YouTube videos to prepare for the installation. Number 2. Beckett 2184404UA2EA 6527 Cleancut Oil Pump. Introducing the Beckett Cleancut Oil Pump, Model A2EA 6527. This high-quality pump is proudly made in the USA. As an OEM Beckett part, you can trust in its reliability and performance. This listing is for the oil pump only. It offers flexible voltage compatibility, supporting 24, 110 to 120, or 200 to 240 VAC at 50-60 Hz, as well as 12 VDC. Experience cleaner operation and greater reliability. It's designed to reduce motor load and provide higher capacity. Enjoy peace of mind with its advanced leak-through protection. This pump is built to perform in demanding conditions, up to 46 degrees Celsius or 115 degrees Fahrenheit. What we like. This oil pump is built for cleaner operation and enhanced reliability, reducing motor load for higher capacity. It offers various voltage options to suit different needs and includes leak-through protection. If you require a dependable and efficient oil pump for your equipment, this USA-made OEM part is a solid investment. What people say. The part arrived just in time before winter blast set in. On time as indicated. I installed the pump, and set the pressure according to the furnace settings for a .80 nozzle at 150 psi. Furnace at running fantastic as temps went from 40 to nearly -15 degrees below. Easily installed with the proper tools. Perfect fit, very pleased, must have some basic knowledge to install and set to the proper pressure to ensure it works properly. Works good. It's been on my boiler for 6 months now, no problems. Number 1. Cleancut Convertible Bathtub Accessibility Kit, white, large. Tired of struggling with your old bathtub? Now you can easily convert your existing tub into a safe and accessible walk-in shower or a traditional bath. Our innovative design features a removable insert that locks and unlocks in seconds. This makes it incredibly versatile, allowing you to switch between configurations effortlessly. This is our most adaptable product yet. You can easily switch back and forth between a shower and a bath whenever you need to, offering unparalleled convenience. Gain the independence and safety you deserve without the high cost of a full bathroom remodel. This offers an affordable solution for bathtub conversion. We want you to be completely satisfied with your purchase. If you need to return the product, please call Cleancut directly for assistance. What we like. This bathtub accessibility kit is our most versatile product, allowing you to configure it as a traditional bath or a step-in shower. The removable insert locks and unlocks quickly, offering unparalleled flexibility. If you desire the ability to switch between a soaking tub and a walk-in shower with ease, this kit is perfect for you. What people say. Great way to convert the bathtub to walk-in. I had surgery and needed to be able to get into my tub easier. This was the perfect solution. Very easy to install. We installed the convertible model on a 6 cast iron tub. Dad is having trouble getting in out of tub. Job took about 5 hours total. We watched the install videos twice before the job, which are incredibly helpful. To cut through the cast iron took about 55 minutes with a DeWalt 4.5 grinder. It chewed through 2 blades, so have extra. Highly recommend good mask, full goggles, hearing protection and full coverage clothing and lots of plastic to cover everything. Half the job is the cutout and then cleanup before you can begin the install. After that, install went great, just like in the videos. We cut and then trimmed to exact fit a few times. It was about 80 degrees in the house, but the glue they provide is still pretty thick and tough to use, so be prepared for that. Definitely use the alcohol to clean the surface before glue goes on. Figuring out the height of the step support, goes underneath the unit to provide support to the actual step, was trial and error, but every tub is different, so not much to do there but check it, cut, check, etc. All in all, videos are a must, good product, good packaging. It will be a big help for an elderly parent. I bought this product for my friend who is under hospice care. My goal is to help him be independent for as long as he can. He has gotten progressively weaker over time and I feared for his safety every time he had to step into his bathtub, and he is very resistant to having someone help him with bathing. We had researched getting his tub replaced with a shower. Not only was the $7,000 price tag hard to swallow, but his anxiety about having his bathroom torn up was even worse. My mother and I were able to install the Cleancut convertible in an afternoon, a little more than 4 hours, while my husband took him out to lunch and shopping. It was a little nerve-wracking to install since my friend is a perfectionist, but the installation videos were super helpful. The great news is my friend is so happy with the Cleancut he bragged to all his friends about it. He told me it is such a relief to not have to psych himself up to bathe anymore because it is so easy to get into the tub now. I'm so grateful this product exists, thanks. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.